we're looking at power of power index law, which is our third law to learn. So this is the kind of thing we're looking at, where we've got brackets with a term with an index there in the middle, and it's actually applied another index on the outside. So we want to not expand this, but we want to get to a shortcut rule. So if we did expand this, we have this inside the brackets multiplied by itself 3 times. So that's saying x squared times x squared times x squared, right? If we expanded that even further, we know that our x squared is equal x times x. So we have this many x's. Now I'm getting confused just doing that. If we had really big powers there, really big indices, it would get even more complicated. So if we simplify this one down, we've got x to the power of 6, right? So if we have a look, we have to start looking for a pattern there between the indices, so we can see what we've actually done there is multiplied the powers together. So our shortcut method is saying x to the power of 2 times the power outside the bracket, which is 3. So we are still left with x to the power of 6, which means our rule here is going to be x to the power of a, with the brackets around the outside, to the power of b, is equal to x to the power of a times b. Which means that if we have brackets here, then we multiply the powers together. Okay, so let's try a few of these right now. We've got a to the power of 2 all to the power of 6, so our shortcut method will simply say a to the power of 2 times 6, which is a to the power of 12. Nice and simple. Now we've got a whole lot of these things inside brackets. We know that if we have this power and this power, what we do is multiply them together. So it's no different by adding in a third. So our final answer here would be m to the power of 3 times 2 times 4, which is going to be m to the power of 3 times 36 times 4 is 24. Okay, so if we are looking at brackets with a number on the outside and one term with the power on the inside, then we are multiplying those together to get that shortcut inside our rule there.